Once upon a time, in the heart of Africa, there were two neighboring kingdoms, each ruled by a wise and just king. King Zuri of the Serengeti Kingdom and King Jafari of the Savannah Kingdom were both admired by their people for their leadership, fairness, and bravery. Despite their kingdoms flourishing independently, King Zuri and King Jafari harbored a deep-seated rivalry. Their lands were separated by a vast stretch of untamed wilderness, which both kings saw as a symbol of their pride and strength. Each monarch believed their kingdom to be superior, and they often competed in feats of skill and diplomacy to prove their dominance. However, their rivalry took a fateful turn when a mutual enemy, the warlord Mabu, threatened to invade both kingdoms. Recognizing the imminent danger, King Zuri and King Jafari realized that their only chance of survival lay in unity. Swallowing their pride, they agreed to set aside their differences and join forces against the common enemy. Together, they strategized, trained their armies, and fortified their borders. King Zuri's cunning and King Jafari's bravery complemented each other perfectly, and their alliance grew stronger with each passing day. As Mabuto's forces drew nearer, the two kings stood side by side, ready to defend their lands and people with all their might. When the decisive battle finally arrived, King Zuri and King Jafari led their combined armies into the fray with unwavering determination. Despite facing overwhelming odds, their unity proved to be their greatest weapon. Through sheer courage and tactical brilliance, they emerged victorious, driving Mabu and his forces back into the wilderness. In the aftermath of the battle, King Zuri and King Jafari realized the folly of their past rivalry. They saw how their petty disagreements had almost cost them everything they held dear. With newfound humility and respect for each other, they forged an unbreakable bond of friendship and cooperation. United as one, the Serengeti and Savannah kingdoms flourished like never before. Their combined strength and prosperity became renowned throughout the land, attracting traders, scholars, and travelers from far and wide. Under the wise rule of King Zuri and King Jafari, their once separate kingdoms became a beacon of peace and prosperity, forever remembered as the great kingdoms that rose above rivalry to achieve greatness.